Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes y buenas noches. Bienvenido a clase de hoy. You're welcome to today's class. Today we're going to be talking about something very, very important. We are going to be simplifying the Spanish language. For you to speak Spanish, there's something you need to learn, and that thing is called pattern. Pattern. If you can understand the pattern, you can speak Spanish. Spanish is one of the easiest language you can think about. I always tell you that Espanol es fácil, right? Don't forget this word, fácil. It means it's very easy, right? If it's very easy, all you need to do is, as long as you are an English speaking person, you can understand and speak Spanish. Okay, let's get into the example. So that will help you. Just watch the pattern. I'm gonna show you. There are English words that are the same with Spanish. All you need to know is the little pronunciation. Of course, the vowel sound and consonant sound, we've talked about it. So you go check out my video. So that will teach you a little. So let's get there. I could tell you something like, watch this word, hospital. Is an English word, right? Um, I could tell you again, like manual. Okay, these are words that have the same pronunciation. With okay, I could tell you about animal. Now watch, nothing changes. It's just the same thing. The only thing that changes is the pronunciation. Now, in hospital is pronounced as hospital. Remember, you don't pronounce H when it starts a word in Spanish. Remember the alphabet. This becomes hospital. Hospital, right? It becomes hospital. Hospital. That's how you pronounce it. And this is manual. Manual is actually manual. You just say manual. Okay, what about radio? Radio is just, remember, the A is not pronounced as A in Spanish, so it becomes radio. Radio. Okay, radio. Radio. Okay, these are very simple thing that okay, what about color? I give you one more. Color. Color is the same. Color. You just pronounce this. Color. In Spanish, you must have to pronounce R. So color. So if you can know that these things are the same. Okay, what about idea? You someone I got an idea, right? This is what ideal. That's how to program. But look at the spellings are the same. Just okay. I didn't give you one more. I just give you one more. Doctor. Now this is doctor in English, and in Spanish is doctor. The spellings are the same. The pronunciation and with this you can also, okay. We're gonna go into turning them into sentences gradually, right? Okay, okay, just watch out the next. This is exactly where we'll stop. And if you look at now, I've just taken it a little bit to the next step. Now, here is the next pattern. Any word in English that ends with ty is a pattern, is a secret. We just hacked into it now, so that you're able to learn it. It's very easy. Any word in English that ends in ty, you don't have to keep cramming words. Just know that whenever you come in contact with any word that ends in ty, the Spanish equivalent is dad. This is that, right? Now, with a little exception that we have here, we have city, right? You just have city, right? As an African, as wherever you are, as long as you're an English speaking person, this becomes easier for you, right? City. Now, the only addition you have here is ooh. Ooh is added. Not you, it's ooh. We now have ciudad. ciudad, 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 ciudad. See how I pronounce it? Ciudad. So that's what we have, city. And what about activity? Activity. Let's now convert it using the hack system. Now, what we have here is actividad. Actividad. Remember, in Spanish, you do not pronounce V. V is pronounced as B, right? V is pronounced as B. Pronounced as B. Then we have actividad, actividad, actividad. I'm just pronouncing it that way so that you can learn it, right? Now we have the next one, opportunity. Opportunity. All you have to do. What is opportunity in Spanish? Oportunidad. I just give you 1 second. You can do that. Oportunidad. What you have here is oportunidad. Okay? Oportunidad, right? Now that's simple. You remember okay, now I'll give you the next one. University. With the little knowledge you have here, you can be able to convert it. With the little knowledge you have here, you can be able to convert it. So what do we have here? It's very easy. What do you have here? Convert it. You do it. I give you 1 second. Do it yourself. Universidad. Universidad. Remember, this is it. Universidad. Universidad. Simple. The TY goes, and added with DAD. That's very simple. Universidad. Remember the word B is not pronounced. It's pronounced as B. So that's why we will have Universidad. This is B, right? Universidad. Ciudad. Actividad. Oportunidad. Universidad. We're going to be making sentences in a little while, but we want to give you one more hack. Then we'll now get to the next, using them to construct sentences. With that, you can add anything to it, and that's Spanish you're speaking. Okay.